Hey guys, so I'm just filming a video on a drink I'm making right now using the Vitamix 5200. This is how I'm gonna start my day. I haven't eaten anything or not drinking, or drank any coffee. I'm just gonna try making a drink to start my day off for breakfast. And so here I have, I already started putting ingredients in, but so far I put in some baby carrots, I put in a mango, an avocado, I think it's called a honey crisp melon, which is this melon here. Tag got taken off, but and then I think this is called dragon fruit or star fruit, dragon fruit. I'm not exactly sure, but I'm gonna put in a piece of that. I don't even actually know how this one tastes. And then I also have these fruits, which are kind of like lychees. And the inside, I already put one of them in. The inside kind of looks like this. And then there's also, so there's two different kinds of those. There are, hold on a second. So one of them looks like this and one looks like this. And then I wanted to put blueberries in, but I don't have any yet. And then I put a lemon, and then I will blend it up and see how it tastes.